Hey everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. My sweet neighbor called and asked me if I wanted some tomatoes from her garden, and of course I said yes. And look how many beautiful tomatoes she brought me. The first thing I thought of was, I have to make some tomato soup. Tomato basil soup is one of my favorite soups to eat, and now that the weather is changing and getting colder, it's the perfect season to make some soup. One of my goals is to have a garden in my yard where I can grow fresh produce just like these beautiful tomatoes. So tell me, do you like to grow your own food in your yard, or do you prefer to buy the food from the grocery store? After washing and weighing out 3 pounds of tomatoes, go ahead and quarter the tomatoes and place them on a sheet pan. Slice up 2 onions and place the onions on the sheet pan with the tomatoes. Peel 8 cloves of garlic, and if you pop the cloves into the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds, it makes taking the peel off so much easier. Drizzle everything with a little bit of oil. This will help prevent everything from sticking to each other in the oven. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt on top. And some fresh black pepper. Stir everything together and place in a 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. Once the tomatoes come out of the oven, you're going to transfer them to a large stock pot and make sure you get in all of those juices from the tomatoes and the onions. And be careful not to burn yourself. To the soup, we're going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes and some thyme and a little bit of salt and some more fresh ground black pepper. You're also going to add 28 ounces of diced tomatoes and 1 quart or 4 cups of chicken broth. Then you're gonna add in 2 cups of fresh basil, and I love having a fresh basil plant in my kitchen for when I'm cooking so I can make sauces or sandwiches, soup, and I just love the smell of it in my kitchen. So we'll put 2 cups of fresh basil right into our soup. Stir everything together and let that simmer for 45 minutes. Once the soup is done simmering, you're gonna put it into a blender and puree it until it's nice and smooth. Once your soup is all pureed, go ahead and add 1 cup of heavy cream. Make sure you taste the soup and then you adjust with salt and pepper as needed. Do you guys want some soup?
Yeah.
If you want this soup recipe, please check out the link in the description below. And if you want more soups that you can feed your family, please check out this playlist right over here. And we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye. Bye.
Did you just toot? Did you just toot? Is that yummy bread?